Hello everyone, we have a question here, and the question is from Jamb 1982, question 23. The question is, express 37.05 times 0.0042 in standard form, and here are the options. Let's quickly solve this. Solution. Now we have to express the product of this in standard form. Now if we are to solve this, all we need to do is we have 37.05 and we have 0.0042. Now we are going to solve this without the use of calculator. These are jam questions, and we have a calculator, but we have the limited use of that calculator. It's not a scientific calculator, so it might be difficult in dealing with some numbers. Then how do we solve this? Firstly, we have 37.05. We change 37.05. This can be rewritten as, to make it easier, we can write it as 3705 times 10 raised to power minus 2. That is, to write it to be in whole number. What we have just done here is remove this decimal point 1, 2. So when you remove decimal point, that means minus 2. We have this. So we need to write this. Then take the other one to 0.0042. Write these two to be whole numbers. We have 1, 2, 3. That's 4.2 times 10 raised to power minus 3. That means, back to this now, that means we've replaced, that means we can now have this to be 3705 times 10 raised to power minus 2 times 4.2 times 10 raised to power minus 3. 1, 2, 3. Then we have this. Then from here now, we have this to be 3705 times 10 raised to power minus 2 times 4.2 times 10 raised to power minus 2 times 10 raised to power minus 3. What I've just done here is this. We have 3705 times 4.2. This times 10 raised to power minus 2 times. We decide to arrange them. Now, this 3705, we can also still write this as 42 times 10 raised to power minus 1, meaning that we want these two to also be in whole numbers. That is, we have times 10 raised to power minus 2 times 10 raised to power minus 3. Now yeah, look, then we multiply these two together. Now this is whole number, so it should be easier for us to do multiplication manually without the calculator here. We could also employ calculator. The calculator provided in the exam that we can call for will be able to actually give us the value for this, or do the normal multiplication. That is, we have 3705 times 42. We have this to be 2 times 5, 10. 2 times 5, 10, 1, 2 times 0, 0, and we have 1, 2 times 7, 14, we have 1, 2 times 3, 6, plus 1, 7, then we have 4 times 5, 20, we have 2, 4 times 0, 0, plus the 2 remaining 2, 4 times 7, 28, and we have 2, 4 times 3, 12, then we have 14, all over 0, 1, 6, and we have 8 plus 7 give us 15, 5, 1. So we have here to be 1, 5, 5, 1, 5, 5, 6, 1, 0 times. Now here 10, they all have the base of 10. This is something as 10 raised to power minus 1 plus minus 2 plus minus 3. Here applying rule of indices here, they have the same base. We have the power here. We have 1, 5, 5, 6, 1, 0 times 10 minus 1 plus times minus minus 2 plus times minus minus 3. So we have here to be 155,610 times 10 raised to power minus 1 minus 2 is minus 3. Minus 3 minus 3 will give us minus 6. Then we have this to be like this. Now, in the question we are asked to leave an answer in standard form. Now, that means we need to write this number that we have here in standard form. And for us to write that in standard form, no, for a number to be in standard form, it must be in the form of a times 10 raised to power minus n. Now, where a is a number between 1 and 10, that means this is going to be 1.55610 times, this is how many times do we move up to this point? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. That's 10 raised to power 5. And this one here times 10 raised to power minus 6. Here we have 1.55610 times 10 raised to power, this is going to give us 5 plus minus 6, and this is going to give us 1.55610 times 10 raised to power, this is going to be 5. 5 plus minus is going to be 5 minus 6, and 5 minus 6 is going to give us minus 1. So we have the final answer to be 1.55610 times 10 raised to power minus 1. And if you look at it in the options here, we have that to be option 1.5561 times 10 raised to power minus 1. That's option E. Option E, which is 1.5561 times 10 raised to power minus 1. And that's option E. Surely, coolly,